Ever felt the thrill of fixing something with your own two hands, or the pride of creating something from the scratch? Welcome to TSM. I created this channel to share new DIY tools and techniques with you, both mine and yours. At TSM, we are more than just a channel. We are a community of makers, fixers, and curators. Whether you are a seasoned DIY pro or just starting out, you're welcome here. Here we explore everything from nuts and tools to repairs and creative projects, with step-by-step tutorials, expert tips, and fun challenges. We are here to help you learn, create, and grow. But this is not just about us, it's all about you. Share your DIY projects and we'll feature them with commentary and tips. Comment, vote, and submit your own videos to be part of the fun. Join the conversation. Share your techniques, tools, and methods. Tell us your POV. What could have been done differently? How would you tackle this project? Plus, participate in polls, vote for the best projects, and showcase your skill. Together, we'll learn new techniques, share our knowledge, and grow as a community of creators. So what are you waiting for? Grab your tools and hit that subscribe button, and let's build something amazing together.